Forget everything you thought you knew about going to the moon. This is not another Apollo. We're not just going back for flags and footprints. NASA is preparing to build a permanent base, an entire village on the lunar surface. And the secret to making it all possible is hidden in eternal darkness. Welcome to the Artemis program, humanity's grand return to the moon. This time, the goal is radically different. It's about establishing a long-term, sustainable human presence. Think science labs, habitats, and rovers that stay there for good. The destination for this lunar outpost is the key, the lunar South Pole. Why there? Because of its permanently shadowed craters. For billions of years, the floors of these craters have been untouched by a single ray of direct sunlight, making them some of the coldest places in our entire solar system. And trapped within that extreme cold is the most valuable resource in space, water ice. This frozen water is an absolute game changer. It's not just for drinking water for the astronauts. Using solar power generated from nearby sunlit peaks, they can use a process called electrolysis to split the water molecules H2O into breathable oxygen for their habitats and hydrogen for rocket fuel. The moon will literally become its own deep space refueling station. The technology is equally ambitious. Astronauts will launch from Earth aboard the Orion spacecraft, a capsule far more advanced than its Apollo predecessor. This will be propelled by the Space Launch System, or SLS, the most powerful and capable rocket ever built by humanity, generating more thrust than the legendary Saturn V. But they won't fly directly to the surface. They'll first dock at the Gateway, a small, multi-purpose space station that will orbit the moon, acting as a command center, science lab, and staging point for missions to the surface. This isn't just about conquering the moon. This lunar village is the essential training ground, the deep space workshop to test the technologies and strategies needed to prepare for humanity's next giant leap, sending the first astronauts to Mars. We are on the verge of becoming a true multi-planetary species. So, here's a question for you. What do you think we should name the first permanent city on the moon? Drop your best ideas in the comments.